Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check sound quality on iPhone, and here's how it is done. If your speakers sound muffled or aren't working well, there are a few steps to help improve the sound. First, remove any cases or screen protectors that might be blocking the speakers. Next, use a brush or toothpick to clear out any dust or lint from the speaker grills. Then open YouTube and search for a left-right speaker test to see if one speaker sounds worse than the other. Also, check your settings under Sounds and Haptics to ensure ringtones and alerts are turned up, and verify that Reduce Loud Audio in Headphone Safety is off. Try turning on airplane mode and then off again to disconnect from any Bluetooth devices. Finally, if you have tried all these steps, restart your phone. If issues persist, it might be time to visit Apple for diagnostics. And that is everything you need to know about how to check sound quality on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.